Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a truly captivating piece of equipment, the 35mm film camera, a lightweight vintage camera with a built-in flash, presented in a sleek black finish. This isn't just another camera, it's an invitation to a different kind of photography, one that emphasizes the tangible and the authentic. Its lightweight design is immediately apparent. It feels comfortable in the hand, making it an ideal companion for spontaneous adventures or simply carrying it around without burden. The vintage aesthetic evokes nostalgia, encouraging a deliberate approach to capturing moments, ensuring each frame truly counts. Its built-in flash is a standout. This simple, effective tool captures images in low light, adding distinct character and that classic film look. For those who appreciate unique light and shadow play, this feature significantly enhances storytelling potential. Designed for rich storytelling and real photos, it encourages users to slow down, compose thoughtfully, and embrace film's unique qualities. Results are often images with depth, character, and a timeless quality digital photos sometimes lack, truly capturing a moment's essence. Suitable for hobbyists, this 35mm camera fits perfectly whether one is starting their film journey or is a seasoned enthusiast. It strips away modern complexities, allowing focus on composition and light. An accessible entry into analog photography, it offers a straightforward experience for stunning, evocative images and lasting memories with a distinctive vintage flair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.